Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do a RC Truck Survival Challenge with Freddy. Hey! And he's gonna try to survive on Lefty and Never Freddy's truck. So, I'm your host, 6Lefty6, with Gavin. 7 Nightmare 7 or whatever. All right, now let's go.
Wait, Sus Boy, that's my name.
Sus Boy.
I keep forgetting.
All right, so when I say go, stop. When I say go, we go. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we're gonna go around here.
His hands are going into the tires. See, guys? Look at his
Wait,
hands.
follow me. We have to get down a safe way. So, over here.
I can't move.
Right here, where my foot is. And over here, come on. You think Glamrock Freddy is enjoying it?
Let me go.
Be quiet, Glamrock Freddy. You're gonna go down that mountain. But go slow, go slow, go slow.
Okay, I'll put it in low gear.
Yeah. Wait, no, not this way. Back up. We'll go over here.
I actually forgot how to back up. So this way? This right here?
Yep,
Yeah.
right here.
Okay, I'll put it in low gear. Want me to?
Yep. Wait. Freddy, get ready.
I think he's gonna die.
Yeah, probably.
No.
And let's go. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, the challenge is if he falls off, he dies.
Oh, what about that?
Well, hang on. At least you have a fighting chance. But the goal is... Yeah, it's recording.
I just wondering.
But, so...
Well, I'll put it in high gear now.
Yeah, follow me. See that?
Stealth mode!
Damn it, Freddy.
Fire hole cannon!
To be honest.
Pew, 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 fire hole cannon.
Right.
Got no muddy. His head, back of his head got all muddy.
It'll be fine, it'll be fine. It's fine.
See, muddy.
Wait, can we get a zoom in on his face real quick? It's a look of fear. It's a look of fear.
His arm is poopy.
But, determination. Alright, follow me. You know the rules, and so do I. Congrats if you get that reference.
I lost my tablet.
Congrats.
No, I actually don't know how I lost it.
So we're gonna go up here. Now we're entering Gavin's territory.
My turn. No! Sus Boys.
I mean, Sus Boy's territory. Yeah, you guys already know our names. I'm just gonna call them.
I don't know your name.
Yeah, my name. I'm still not gonna say it.
Carter.
Crazy. What's crazy? What's crazy and sus. All right.
That's why my name is Sus Boy.
Anyway, Freddy's looking so good. Looking actually pretty good so
Why do
far.
you call him Nightmare Freddy?
I mix them up. I use Nightmare Freddy a lot. So yeah, come on. Come on, Glamour Freddy now. Over here.
Hi guys, we have a zoom in action on Lefty. Lefty is here.
Oh yeah, hey Lefty.
Standing there, but little does he know he's gonna get run over.
No, don't actually. Keep him there.
Okay, let's get actually closer up. See, that's Lefty. He's just standing there. Come on, keep looking at him.
He really doesn't really look that scared to be. Oh, he just had a. Don't actually stop.
Okay, let's just continue.
Hang on, I lost you. Right? All right, there you are. All right. Yeah, guys, if I lose the truck, it means I probably just have to refund it. All right, follow me. Come on. I'll go that way.
You're not pointing at me.
Shut up. Be quiet. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be hard to record because I basically have to be close to the truck. I would say we could do a truck cam, but I don't know how to do that, but...
You don't know how to do
I can probably find out how to add a camera.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, guys, I'll probably get a better camera eventually. A camera while I'm using my phone. But yeah. Anyway, there's a bit of behind the scenes. But so, they see
Watch,
me
guys.
roll.
This is going to be funny.
We
Guys.
oh yeah, I should mention this because I'm probably gonna start getting because enough videos have seen this. But yeah. Okay, don't attempt it.
You made it. Oh no, no, his hand's stuck.
Okay, this is why I didn't want to go over.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, look. But yeah, boys. So, well, boys and girls, I should mention. So when I say what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys is a neutral term. I mean the boys and girls and dogs and cats. Basically every gender who watches this.
He loves cats.
Yeah.
I have a kitten in my house.
Mr. Crazy. But he's also kind of sus, so.
Because I'm sus, boy. Hating. Because I'm rolling.
Meanwhile, on the news. Wait, I'm gonna. Crazy. Switch it to low mode.
Okay. You want to like hook it up right there?
Nah.
Back in the house.
Sorry if that was like sideways or something.
Because
Hold on.
what?
Wait. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Go. So far, Glamour Freddy's done the course good.
I think some mashies and gas problems.
Yeah. Oh. Well, that's not good. So.
Can he make it down the Ricky Hill?
Wait. Go straight and do not turn. Switch it to low.
No.
Okay. Go.
Oh,
wait. Look at that.
View action, he's standing.
Boys. Wait, can we get his face? Sorry. Look at that boy.
I'm really scared, guys.
Right.
My toesies! You pointed the camera at my toesies!
There. No, and let it run over. Hopefully that was getting good action, boys and girls. Hang on. Had to blow the camera. It's dirty.
Yeah, because I actually learned.
All right, go.
Now?
Yeah.
There's dirt on. Can we get a zoom action that there's dirt right on the thing? Can we get a zoom action that he's actually surfboarding on it?
Here.
Oh no, water!
Wait, Gavin, we're going the wrong way. Turn around. Go that way. Towards the garbage. No, Freddy's like, Glamour Freddy, sorry. Glamour Freddy's like, yeah! Oh yeah, guys. Don't touch him now. But, guys, so, here, actually, I should probably, since this is kind of going to be more of a, I'm going to explain some stuff, facts and all that. So, did you guys know that actually, I don't know.
He fell off! Guys, he fell off.
Gavin, this video is too short. He has 3 lives. Hold the camera and point it at him. Can you look at the camera? Can you see him?
Yeah.
Look, this man is determined. Now, he has 3 lives. So, first life gone.
He has 2 more lives.
He has 2 more lives. Here. So he's fallen off once.
So that means he has 2 more lives.
Yep, let's go. Follow me. Where goes that way?
He goes that way? Oh no, his sticky's stuck.
Hang on.
His biggie duck.
Grab it. Okay.
Back
Stop. He's enjoying it.
One more. And why do you say Gavin was that successful? This video is too short.
Because it was only 8 minutes. I want this to be a decently long video.
He's using the spoon! And how do you get down? For sure, land on feet.
Now that way.
Oh! Look at me dancing!
Do. Here, let's get a zoom in on his face.
I'm really scared, guys. I don't like
I think I like it. His face just. His face. Hang on, guys. Let's stop. Stop. No, leave him back. Oh, no, leave him there. Stop the vehicle. His face. Ah! Ah! Help! Now we're going into the pit of doom.
Yeah, but we're not going to slow down. Hell.
Now, go. Follow me.
He's off!
Oh, well, that's another life.
He has only one life.
After that life, he's dead.
Yeah, you get to see him. We eat him.
He get his punishment. We'll do a punishment for him.
Yeah, Lefty gets to beat him up and eat
No. We'll actually do a. I want to do a weird. I'm gonna do a punishment. Go. Ready, y'all? So, excuse me if you heard that. But the junkyard, the doom.
Nice. Train tracks.
Oh yeah, train tracks. Might actually create another channel on trains. So, yeah, Lefty's trains. Go.
No.
Let's go and turn around. We're going back up now.
I'm gonna die up there. Guys, remember, we're gonna have to drive him back. Oh, he fell. He has fell.
But he's also surfing. Ah, he's fell. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
You know what that means, guys. He gets his punishment.
Yep, now I have the punishment. His goal was to make it back to my house to the same spot, but he didn't. So now we shall go back. This is gonna be a walk now. Not a notification, but.
And drive.
I fell off, guys, and now I'm sad. At last, I'm gonna get punished.
Well,
What will my punishment
be?
be?
We have to tell Lefty because Lefty is the ruler of the
Yep.
game.
Guys, that RC truck is poopy. Ugh.
Hey, Glenn and Freddy, get into the truck.
Do you have candy?
What's the prize?
I'm not throwing stuff though. My toes are dirty. Look at my toes, they're so dirty.
Guys, please comment down below. Glenn Freddy is dumb because he keeps falling and flying and he's scared.
Stupid RC truck.
I dare you to get back inside of it.
No!
No, you'll get popcorn. He's like, woo!
Popcorn. I have to lay down, right?
Yes. You guys saw that, right?
Yep, I got it on cam. Don't worry. All right. So while we walk back, we're gonna explain some fun facts.
Yeah, but we're gonna drive back. We're gonna actually walk back, but fast. Okay, so
Yeah.
fun fact: did you know Glenn Freddy is a crybaby?
Well, no, I got. So you want to know some? So the videos I haven't been posting much. That's because I don't really have much subscribers, and I'll be honest, I might just quit YouTube. JK. I don't know if you saw that, but Gavin.
Yeah.
If you ever create a channel, wait, maybe we should make a collab channel.
Yeah, club channel.
Collab.
Club.
Collab.